And we are taking action to highlight local businesses. Today, we have a unique partnership between a local brewing company and a family farm that gives a taste of what's grown in our backyard. Action News anchor Vanessa Vasconcelos brings us a sneak peek at Tioga Sequoia Brewing Company's new release, which will launch this Saturday.
This style of beer, you really get into the nuances of, again, the journey that it's been on. Not only the beer and the yeast strains that make up a big flavor component of it, but the fruit.
The downtown Fresno brewery, synonymous with holiday and post-game celebrations, is raising a glass to the valley's bounty and the farmers who make it possible. Nectar del Valle is the latest release from Tioga Sequoia Brewing Company. It's made with nectarines from the Masumoto family farm in Del Rey. Brewery president Michael Cruz says the California Wild Ale is unique to the brewery, as was the process to make it.
Spent 2 years in French oak barrels. Once we got the fruit from the Masumotos, we were able to introduce it to the beer about the 2-year mark, where it sat with the fruit for up to a year. It carbonates within the bottle. We don't force carbonate this beer, which means it re-ferments in the bottle to give it its kind of sparkling carbonated texture.
They really want to highlight the spirit of what it means to live here, to be part of the Central Valley. And so that's what's one of the things that's so great about getting to work directly with local brewers.
Best known for its stone fruit and deeply rooted ties to the valley, Masumoto Family Farm has countless stories to tell. Fourth-generation farmer and author Nikiko Masumoto says collaborating with the brewery is a new way to tell them.
The idea that something that we could grow gets the care of multiple years. For me, I love it because it gets us to stop and think about, we eat every day, we drink every day, and do we take those things for granted? Imagine all the care, all the hours, all the sweat that went into that. I think it asks us as eaters to slow down a little bit and enjoy.
Solidifying a sense of community.
When we drink a sip of a beer that we know where it's made and we know what's in it, it's a really important part of feeling like you belong.
The limited release debuts on Saturday at Tioga Sequoia Brewery. In downtown Fresno, Vanessa Vasconcelos, ABC 30 Action News.
Thank you for watching. For more videos like this from ABC 30, just make sure to hit that subscribe button below.